Hi guys, welcome. I'm Gian and I'm going to show you how to make this easy creamy coconut salmon that's perfect for spring. Now let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is season the salmon, and I have 4 fillets and this is with skin on, and I've just squeezed the juice of half of a lime over the salmon. I'm going to season it with crushed garlic, crushed ginger, black pepper and salt. And I'm just going to rub all of this seasoning in all over the salmon, including on the sides. And if you guys are interested in making this recipe, I will have the recipe linked below in the description box, where it's going to take you over to my blog, giancancook.com, where you can find this recipe and many more just like this one. To my pot, I've added some oil, and once the oil is hot, I'm going to saute red and green bell peppers and onions. And then I'm going to let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes before adding the additional crushed garlic and ginger. And I shared this over on Instagram just about a week ago, and so many of you wanted this recipe, and it is perfect for springtime. It's light, it's delicious, and it is perfect for those of you who are looking for fish recipes. And I'm just allowing the garlic and ginger to saute for about a minute or so, just until it becomes fragrant and you start to smell it. Then it's time to add the coconut milk. And I am using 1 can of coconut milk. If you want to lighten up this recipe a bit, you can also use light coconut milk. And I am just going to stir this around, and I am scraping the bottom of the pot just to get up any little bits that may have stuck to the pot. And to the coconut milk, I've added thyme and also pimento. This is whole pimento berries. And then I'm going to bring this to a simmer and just allow this to cook until the sauce thickens. And you want to be sure that the sauce is thick, because once you add the salmon is going to release its juices, and you don't want to have a watery broth. And I'm adding the salmon skin side down, and then I'm going to spoon some of that sauce all over the salmon, because I want to be sure that the salmon gets all of that flavor from the coconut milk. Next, I'm going to add grape tomatoes, which I've halved. I'm also going to add scallion and 1 riri pepper, where I put a tiny slit in it so that some of that pepper flavor is going to be infused into the broth. And I'm going to let this cook for about 10 to 12 minutes on medium, and I'm adding a little bit more salt towards the end. And this is pretty much done. I'm just spooning that liquid over the fish, and it is delicious. The fish is perfectly cooked. All of the coconut milk and the ginger, garlic, the thyme, you're going to taste it in this dish, and the fish is just absolutely perfect. The texture is nice and silky. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.